So this is the project for the day, huh?
I'm finished just about. I've done all I can do with this thing till I put the sander to it. I've got to let it dry on both sides. I've washed it down a couple of times. The truth to all of what? Use this. I asked for an SMAC and read it. And then do a lower GI and upper respiratory. Is it beautiful or is it?
Fantastic. This is the corner of the Florida room, huh?
See this old post here?
Yeah.
That's what you use as your measuring post. There's the next one that goes up right there. I'll wet this stuff and then put cement in it. When it gets wet, I'll put these little pieces of steel. It makes a monster foundation post. Then when I want to check my level of the wall, see if it's draining properly, I just fill it up with water. See there? You have to have a powerful personality. Now then, a little hole.